Knowing how to read step-by-step instructions or procedural text is a very valuable skill when you are assembling furniture or learning how to cook the perfect fried egg. But one teacher, Ms Soomathy, noticed that her students were not interested in reading such texts. Hi, I'm Dr. Nazir. Let me share with you a lesson by Ms Soomathy from Waterway Primary School, which got her Primary 5 students excited about learning procedural text in her English language lesson. When students enjoy a lesson, the learning is deeper and they remember it longer. To get students excited about reading instructions, Ms Soomathy used a toy-making activity that was relevant, appealing and personal for her students. This was a novel approach as students usually do not get to tinker and do fun craft-based activities during language lessons. Students were given a how-to guide with step-by-step instructions on making a pull-back toy tortoise. The students were excited to follow the steps to make the toy. They read the instructions with a sense of purpose. They knew that making sense of the instructions would result in a toy that works well. When the toy moved, there was a sense of accomplishment. This lesson engaged multiple senses and was age-appropriate. It also got the students to learn what they needed to. This lesson was more than a hands-on activity. It was a minds-on and hearts-on activity. That is what made this a memorable lesson. Thank you, Ms Soomathy, for this lesson idea.